When you collect your Ableton Push 2 device, it'll come in a box a lot like this. We're going to unbox and show you what you get in there and show you the next steps. Your Ableton device will have an LMS code on the lid, and as we lift up that lid, we'll be able to see the contents inside. It's very well packaged. You can see Push 2 and it's actually stored in its very own polystyrene case. Let's open that case and show you the actual device. The Push 2 is in secure packaging, and then what you can do is you can lift out that Push 2 to reveal the other contents beneath. Below that you have got various power supplies and the USB cable, as well as the authorization code, which is on the Push luminous green envelope as well. You can use the various power supplies. There's American, European and the UK standard plugs. The UK standard plug will fit your AC adapter, and your USB will be there to connect to the device and then to your computer.